Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my dear students. Welcome to a new lesson. Today, to lesson 1 in Unit 2. Firstly, warm-up questions. Have you ever want to be taller or shorter? Have you ever thought of that? Second, have you ever want to have more money? Third question, have you ever want to be very talented at something? Now, think of these questions and answer them on your own to prepare for the lesson. Now, open your student's book on page 20, Unit 2, Wishful Thinking. Number 1, listen and discuss. Read the text below. Find the sentences that say exactly what each person wishes for, what people are saying.
Unit 2, Wishful Thinking, pages 20 and 21. 1. Listen and discuss. What people are saying. Wishes vary from person to person. Find out how some of our readers answered the following questions.
If you could only take one thing with you to a desert island, what would you take?
I would take my cell phone. I'd be able to keep in touch with my family and friends around the world, and I wouldn't get lonely.
If you could be a historical figure, which would you be?
I'd like to be Genghis Khan, the leader of the Mongols. I would create one of the greatest empires the world has ever known.
If you had a close encounter with an extraterrestrial, what question would you ask?
I'd ask if I could travel with the ET. I would like to find out about life in the universe.
If you could choose a place to live, which city or country would you choose?
If I could choose a place to live, I'd go to Hawaii. The weather's great the whole year round, and the surfing is fabulous.
If you could change your looks, what changes would you make?
Actually, I'm quite happy the way I am. I wouldn't make any changes.
If you could travel through time, would you go to the past or to the future?
I would go to the future to see what new technologies people will be using.
Got it? Now, we are going to listen to the second part.
I wish I could win a big prize. The King Faisal International Prize is awarded to individuals whose achievements benefit mankind across the globe. Sheikh Suleiman Al-Raji, a world-leading philanthropist, was awarded the 2012 Prize for Service to Islam, while Professor Adnan bin Muhammad Al-Wazan won the Prize for Islamic Studies. Professor Richard Berkowitz and James Bruce Bussell won the prize for medicine. The cash prize of 750,000 Saudi riyal, $200,000, was split between them. Professor Ali Hilmi Ahmad Musa and Dr. Nabil Ali Muhammad from Egypt shared the Arabic Language and Literature Prize, and Professor Alexander Varshavsky won the Science Prize. Laureates also receive a gold medallion and a handwritten certificate.
Got it? Now, relate to the first part. It's about people who are asked through the website or the magazine to imagine if they could change something in their own life, what are they going to do? What they wish they could do or they would do. The second part is about the King Faisal International Establishment, مؤسسة الملك فيصل الدولية, which give yearly prizes in different fields on condition that they are in the service of mankind. بتقدم مؤسسة الملك فيصل الدولية جوائز سنوية في مختلف المجالات شريطة أن يكون في خدمة البشرية. For example, in 2012 في عام 2012 شيخ سليمان الرجحي won the first kind of this prize, which is for service to Islam. Professor Adnan bin Muhammad al-Wazzan won the prize for Islamic studies. الشيخ سليمان الرجحي فاز بجائزة خدمة الإسلام أو عمل يخدم الإسلام. الدكتور عدنان بن محمد الوزان فاز بجائزة الدراسات الإسلامية. بروفيسور ريتشارد وبروفيسور جيمس تقاسما جائزة الطب التي كان مقدارها 750 ألف ريال سعودي أو ما يعادل 200 ألف دولار أمريكي. كذلك الأمر البروفيسور علي حلمي والدكتور نبيل علي محمد تقاسما جائزة الأدب العربي واللغة العربية. وفي النهاية بروفيسور ألكسندر فاز بجائزة العلوم. laureates اللي هم المكرمين أو الفائزون also receive gold medallion بيتلقوا أيضا ميدالية ذهبية and a handwritten certificate وشهادة تقدير مكتوبة بخط اليد خصيصا لكل فرد منهم. Now let's conclude some questions related to this topic and answer them. The first one, how much is the cash prize Professor Richard and James have won? مقدار الجائزة yes 750,000 Saudi riyals, what equals $200,000. How many prizes are given? Yes, in 5 fields. 5 prizes in 5 fields for the benefit of mankind. The next question is, which prize did Sheikh Sulaiman al-Rajhi win? أي جائزة تسلمها الشيخ سليمان الرجحي? Yes, the 2012 prize for service to Islam. After that, who won the Arabic language and literature prize? من الذي فاز بجائزة الأدب واللغة العربية? Yes, Professor Ali Hilmi and Dr. Nabil Ali. After that, which prize did Professor Alexander Vershovsky win? ما الجائزة التي فاز بها البروفيسور ألكسندر؟ Yes, the science prize, جائزة العلم. What kind of achievements are required for one to qualify? طبعا achievements that benefit mankind across the globe. أي عمل يخدم البشرية على مستوى العالم. The last question is, what do you think winners will do after the awards ceremony? ماذا في اعتقادك سيقوم به الفائزون بعد حفل التكريم؟ طبعا maybe some pictures, taking some photos, some interviews and meetings, having a meal, تناول وجبة أو لقاءات ومقابلات، التقاط بعض الصور etc. إلى آخره. Now related to the topic, vocab, match to form new words or expressions. Number 1, desert will be with, yes, that's right, desert island, جزيرة صحراوية. Number 2, keep, it's correct, keep in touch. keep in touch معناها يبقى على اتصال، ولو جبت بعدها الشخص أقول keep in touch with، يبقى على اتصال مع فلان. Number 3, close, yes, close encounter. Number 4, whole year round. Number 5, split the prize، يتقاسموا الجائزة. After that, practice B, answer true or false. Number 1, Said would take his cell phone to desert island. That's true. Number 2, Steve would like to be a false because he wishes to be Omar bin Abdulaziz. Number 3, Bob would ask an extraterrestrial about life on other planets. That's right. Number 4, if Ahmed could live in any place in the world, he would live in Hawaii. That's right. If Hamid could, he would change the way he looks. No, he hasn't said that. The last one is Leonard would like to find out about future technologies. That's right. It's pair work related to giving your answers to the questions. To imagine yourself as every one of the readers and to answer the questions on your own. تتخيل نفسك مكان كل قارئ من الذين وجه إليهم الأسئلة وتجيب بمعلومات تخصك. After that, practice B. Find sentences that are wishes in the text you read. Make questions for those wishes. Now we are going to transfer into our workbook. Related to this even unit and this even lesson, open your workbook on page 11. كتاب النشاط صفحة 11. Look at the groups of words. Write the word that doesn't belong. Related to the question we had before in the past called circle the odd one out. ضع دائرة حول الكلمة المختلفة أو حدد الكلمة التي خارج التصنيف. Maybe all our names, maybe adjectives, maybe colors, maybe verbs. وربما تكون مجموعة كلها ألوان ما عدا كلمة واحدة أو أفعال أو أسماء ذكور أو أسماء أيام أو أكلات أو كلمات من نوع واحد according to the mind maps طبقا لتقسيم الكلمات إلى فئات. First one, cash, leader, invest. Yes, that's right. The odd or the one which doesn't belong to the others is the word leader because cash معناها فلوس نقدية وinvest يستثمر فكلها في مجال المال والأعمال لكن leader معناها قائد أو زعيم. Number 2, prize, technology, game show. That's right, technology. Number 3, which one doesn't belong? That's true, empire. Number 4, universe, prize, extraterrestrial. That's true, prize. Number 5, think carefully. Good, desert island. Yes. Now let's transfer into the next question in the same page. Practice B. Describe the photos. Use the words in the boxes in your description. Now think of these pictures and express each of them related to wishes using the words mentioned in each one. The first picture is about universe, technology, and satellites. Now we can compose a sentence like that. Scientists use technology like satellites to study the universe. Number 2, wish desert island lonely. You can compose sentence on your own as well. Number 3, game show, prize. Number 4, unification, leader, historical. Now you can compose a sentence on your own or you can use these sentences. That's for now. Waiting for the next lesson. Inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now you can read the rest and to answer them on your own. Okay? And these are some of the workbook questions related to this lesson on your workbook pages 12 and 13. You can read them and answer, revising your answer with these model answers. That's for now. Waiting for you the next lesson, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.